Hi there, welcome back to Classroom to Boardroom series. It's normal to get nervous, and in the process, it's easy to overlook things when you're worried about finding a job. Today, I will be sharing some amazing tips on resume building, which will help you remember the smallest details of resume writing. And for your convenience, I've divided the tips into two videos, this being the first video. So let's get started. 1. Use a professional email address. If you haven't already done that, then choose a professional email provider like Gmail or Outlook for creating one. Use your name while creating the ID. For example, ashwini@gmail.com. A strict no to email IDs like ashwinirocks@gmail.com. Idea is to look more professional in your approach and every step counts. 2. Make sure your contact information is up to date. Double check that the rest of your contact information on your resume is accurate. You could mention your primary number, the most contacted number you are reachable on, and you could also mention an alternative number as well. You don't want to miss an interview because you put the wrong phone number on your resume. 3. Set your font size to 10 to 12 points. Here it's important to keep your resume font size between 10 to 12 so that a hiring manager can read easily and not squint. 4. Use reverse chronological order. That means starting from your most recent job and work your way back. For instance, for your experience section, put your current job first, and for your education section, put your highest degree. 5. Align your content to the left. Aligning your text to the left, this makes it easier for the recruiter and hiring manager easy. 6. Make strategic use of bold, caps, and italics. Be consistent with your choices here. If you have made one of your subheadings bold, then make the rest of the subheadings also bold. The point is to make important information easier to find, but at the same time, don't overdo it. 7. Choose an attractive and readable font. Use the right font as it goes a long way. For instance, fonts like Arial and Calibri. Avoid using fancy fonts. 8. Choose a resume format that works for you. There are three types of resume formats: reverse chronological, combination, functional. Most commonly, format uses reverse chronological format, and you can play with the layout. And it's versatile too. It works for everything from a resume for a first job to experience and technical resumes. Also, know that recruiters are very comfortable with this format over others. 9. Frame your resume content using the correct margin size. That's because resumes with text cramped edge to edge look messy and unprofessional. 10. Balance your text and white space. It makes your resume aesthetically pleasing and easy to read. Do not sacrifice white space in the name of fitting everything onto one page. 11. Consider adding a description of your course work. Your education section is still your strongest asset. Listing or describing courses can show recruiters that you have the skills related to the job. It shows that you have got relevant knowledge that goes beyond your past work experience. 12. Name your resume file properly. It's important to name your resume correctly and accurately so that the recruiter is able to find and identify your resume among the hundreds. I will be covering more tips in my next video, so stay tuned. This is Ashwini Dasgupta, your personal development and NLP trainer, signing off. Until I see you next, be you, be confident. Thank you.